Welcome to this quick guide on updating your LinkedIn headline on your PC. LinkedIn has recently tweaked its interface, so let's walk through the updated steps to ensure your profile reflects exactly who you are and what you offer. Your LinkedIn headline is prime real estate. It's one of the first things recruiters and connections see. It's a concise tagline that sums up who you are, your skills, and the value you bring. Instead of using the default job title, a customized headline can grab attention and help you get noticed. An effective headline can attract more profile views and new opportunities. Here's how to change it with the new LinkedIn layout. Opening LinkedIn first. Fire up your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Log in with your username and password if you aren't already logged in. Accessing your profile. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile picture with the word "Me" underneath it. Click that icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Select View Profile to navigate to your profile page. Navigating to Settings. On your profile page, look for the Settings and Privacy option. This might be accessible via a drop-down arrow or a direct link, depending on your specific view. Click on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Account Preferences. In the Settings menu, you'll find several options. Look for Account Preferences. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account, including profile information. Editing name, location, and industry. Under Profile Information, you'll see several editable fields. Find and click on Name, Location, and Industry. This section allows you to modify your basic profile details, including your headline. Updating your headline. Now you're in the right spot. Scroll down until you see the Headline field. Here, you can edit your current headline. LinkedIn gives you 220 characters to play with, so make them count. Think of keywords that highlight your skills, expertise, and what makes you unique. Saving your changes. Once you've crafted the perfect headline, click the Save button. Your new headline will now appear on your profile, reflecting your updated professional summary. Extra tip to make your headline stand out. To make your headline really stand out, consider using Unicode Mapper to add bold or italicized text. Be mindful of character limits when using special formatting. And that's it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn headline on the new interface. Remember, keep your headline concise, clear, and keyword-rich. An optimized headline helps you stand out and get found by the right people.